Think ahead. Thanks to the Green Driving Assistant, your Mini Electric checks whether a destination entered in the navigation system can be reached with the current charge state of the vehicle. If not, a pop-up will help you to search for charging stations along the route. Select a charging station to get more details, like what kind of plug is needed, opening hours, or who the operator is. Back in the navigation, you'll notice that the flag on the left has turned from white to red, meaning with the current range you can't reach your destination and should make a charging stop. Alternatively, click on Routes to save energy and select Green Route for a consumption-optimized route. Still not enough? With the Mini Driving Mode switch, change to Green Plus to increase the range. Take it even further. Activate the range circle, click on Additional Information, and check the box Electric Range. Now, zoom out to see the green circle, indicating the current range of the car. Switch your driving mode between Green Plus and Mid. You'll see how the range circle changes. Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.